In case you missed it, possibly the biggest news to come from GrafanaCon is that if you're running self-hosted or open source Grafana instances, you can now connect them through your Grafana Cloud account to Assistant, the purpose-built AI tool for all things Grafana. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set all of that up and how you can use Assistant to go from absolutely nothing in your Grafana instance to something like this dashboard.
Wow!
With a single prompt. First, some explanations here though, because we are doing something a little bit different. Assistant is not open source. It's just that now you can use it with open source Grafana. Now you will still need a Grafana Cloud account. Think of it this way. Having a Grafana Cloud account, whether it's free or paid, will give you access to use Assistant in open source Grafana. Still confused? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how all of that works in this video. Let's get started. You will need to use Grafana version 13 or later for this, and you will need a Grafana Cloud account. Check the pricing page here though, because we have some pretty generous inclusions for Assistant in just the free tier. Okay, so this is a brand new Grafana instance. I don't have anything on it, and I'm going to show you how to enable Assistant. First, go over here to Administration and Plugins, and then we're going to search for Assistant. Click on that, and then click Install here. It'll say that you've installed Grafana Assistant. Now just go ahead and hit the refresh button here, and you should now see this new connection tab here. Now click on Start Connection, and what this is going to prompt you to do is to log into Grafana Cloud. Select your organization and your stack here, and then click Authorize Connection. Now it should say Connection Authorized Successfully. You can close this tab and return to the Grafana Assistant plugin. Great, now I've connected to my Grafana Cloud account. Now I want to show you a little bit of what Grafana Assistant can do, but I don't have any data in this brand new Grafana instance. Luckily, every Grafana instance does have a kind of test data source here called TestData. So we're going to go ahead and enable that. So let's go to data sources here. We're going to add a data source, and whoops, there it is, TestData. I'm going to click it. Data source has been added. I'm going to save and test just in case, and yes, it is working. All right, now we can see that on the upper right-hand corner here, there's a new icon for Grafana Assistant. So let's open it up. Great. Now I'm just going to type in here in natural language the way that I would to a human. So I'll say, "Hi, Assistant. Could you create a server health dashboard for me using the TestData data source?" Now, if I had some specific things that I wanted to see in this dashboard, like a certain kind of panel or some information to be displayed, then I could ask Assistant to do that too. But for right now, I just want to see what it's going to come up with. Since I'm asking for a dashboard, I'm going to choose a different mode here from Assistant, which is the general one, to dashboarding. The dashboarding mode is good for creating and managing Grafana dashboards, which is exactly what I want here. So I'm going to send that now. Looks like Assistant is already showing us the CPU, memory, disk, and network statistics, and memory usage over time, and network traffic over time. So this is a pretty good place to start. And if there's ever something that isn't quite right, I can always go into that panel and edit that query myself. Now, I love this because it means that I'm no longer starting from scratch. Assistant can get me 80% of the way there at least in its initial pass, and then I can ask it to tweak some things or edit things manually myself. Now, I only showed you how Assistant can create dashboards, but it can actually do way more than that. You can ask it questions about your data that's in Grafana. It can learn new skills and even teach you Grafana. That list is continually growing, so stay tuned. If you'd like to learn about privacy and how we handle your data, click on this link here. And if you want to learn more about Grafana Assistant, maybe check out the keynote where it was announced over on this side. Thanks for watching.